Hi, I'm Todd Reed, National Market Manager for Graybar, and I'm here talking with suppliers about products and services that will help you be more efficient, safe, and productive. So tell us about a product that TE Connectivity has that can help the contractor be more efficient or productive.
Okay, so we previously talked about passive optical LAN. It's relatively new in the enterprise space. It's a very efficient way to cable a building. It's very fast, allowing the contractor to take on maybe more jobs per year. And when we created the enterprise PON back in 2006, some of the things that we did was we came up with something called Rapid Reel, and that allows you to install cable very, very fast. It also, in some buildings, to help you win business, you might not have the existing pathway, a lot of pathway for the larger category type cabling. And this solution here can help us to reduce that pathway space. And some of the things I can show you is one of them is our consolidation points. You might put out in a hallway or above a raised floor or drop ceiling. And we have a pre-terminated MPO 12-fiber connector here with a plenum-rated jacketed cable. It has a pulling eye built right onto it. You simply pull this cable, and as you see, the box just reels off all the cable that you have. When you get to the desired length, you simply break the wafers off, and there's a trim piece that goes around here, makes it look like a fully a solid box. Inside that consolidation point, we have SC8BC connectors, pre-terminated to adapters. And you would take a single fiber cable and drop that to an individual workstation. In your telecom room, we have what we call our fiber distribution hub, and that's this device right here. Inside here, it's basically where you do all of your interconnect, your cross-connect. This is where your splitters reside. The other option is using a box like this that does zone splitting, where you're putting the splitter out in the zone. So with this, when we put our splitters here in the hub, it allows us to cable out with 25% extra cable in the field, which is cheaper. And we simply patch in, when we need to patch a new user, we simply just patch it up to the corresponding RDT on this panel. The other option to do, which also is time savings and space savings, would be using this consolidation point in your telecom room. You can actually pull this MPO connector down to your MDF to plug it into the OLT, the head-end piece of electronics for the passive optical LAN. This 6x9 inch box will end up reaching 12 of these boxes right here. Each one of these boxes, and I'll show you really quick here, has a 2x32 splitter in here. It could be a 1x32 or 2x32. The idea is if I hit 12 of these X/32 splitters, I can hit 384 end devices called ONTs, each with 4 or 8 gigabit Ethernet ports. So off of a 6x9 inch box in my telecom room, I can really hit 384 devices times 4 gigabit Ethernet ports. That's not a lot of space to take up. So if in case you didn't want to use pre-terminated, the other option with this to save you time and energy is it comes with a splice tray and a pigtail. So you can bring bare fiber in, fusion splice to that pigtail, and plug it then into the splitter. So those are our three solutions for passive optical LAN. TE calls them Optical LAN Solution. And to recap, we have our hub and terminal design, which is what started Enterprise PON. And that's a very efficient way to cable. The second option is if you don't even have a telecom space or something like that and you want to put your splitters out in the zone, we use our terminal and zone split. And the third one is just a traditional rack mount where we put our optical splitters in a LGX-type footprint in a rack and home run cable everything.
Thank you.